Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Blessed Tree Tarot and Guidance. Today I'm going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Pisces, and the topic is how will be your next week. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Pisces, you can refer to this reading. And also this is going to be a timeless reading, so whenever you watch this reading it will be applicable for the next week starting from the particular date. Please watch this reading till end, because at the end I will pull out few guidances from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Sorry, I'm just giving the final shuffle to the cards. They are almost done. Okay. Yeah, done. Pisces, next week, profession. Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, Ace of Wands, Three of Wands. Okay. Pisces, personal life, date, strength, justice, and Queen of Cups. Okay, and bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups, which indicates that next week you are going to be content and satisfied from in your career, in your work life, in your personal life also. Okay, so now let's begin the reading. Okay, so with this Knight of Cups card indicates that you will get your work done at your workplace tactfully. You will have a soft, smooth approach towards your work, towards your colleague, towards your boss. You will ask something for someone for something like ask for a promotion, ask for some appraisal, and it seems like it will be granted. It's going to be granted because this Knight of Cups card, the energy associated with this card is tactfulness, diplomacy, getting work done through tactfulness and diplomacy. So you will have a smooth approach, and you are going to approach someone, maybe your senior, for kind of getting into some new project. You will approach them, hey, let's take me into your project. I have this kind of skills, I will work good. So this kind of approach you will have in your work area for the next week. And yes, and you are going to get success. Okay, and with this Two of Cups card, I am seeing that you can see two persons are standing and they are exchanging something. So you will have good exchange of knowledge or exchange of your experience among your colleagues, with your juniors or with your seniors. And this also indicates cooperation and coordination. So you may get good cooperation and coordination from your colleagues, from your counterparts at your workplace, and you will have a kind of harmonious environment at your workplace. Okay, this is a good card. People will be supporting you in your work. Okay, the next is Ace of Wands. This Ace of Wands card indicates that possibly you will have a new beginning in your career. Not exactly like everybody is going to get a new job. For some of you it will be possible, but for some of you it will be like you will be starting a new project probably in the next week. And this card indicates passionate energy. You will feel passionate towards your work. You will feel so energetic, powerful towards your work. Okay, so this is the number one, means there is something new beginning, starting of a new project. Possibly you will be assigned with a new project from your client, from your lead, and this is a good card for your career. Three of Wands card. This card indicates progress in your career. You will be having a progress in your career in the next week, and this card indicates that you have a means you have a good plan ready with you regarding your career, but you are not moving. You are just standing still, like something is there you are waiting for. Okay, before taking the, you have a mindset like, if this thing will happen, then I will take the action. But nothing like that. I suggest that you need to take action now, because this is the progression card. You have a very beautiful plan, very promising plan for your future. So if you are taking action, okay, if you are taking action now, then you will succeed. It's a progressive card. You will get progress in your career. And also for some people, because they are not moving because of their comfort zone, they don't want to leave the comfort zone, they are just kind of enjoying, oh, okay, we will do it after some time, we will do it later. They are just procrastinating the things. But this is, now is the time, okay, to enhance your career. You have a plan, brilliant plan, in fact, just act on it. Okay, so for the next week, I am seeing profession is looking quite promising for you, Pisces. Now next is personal life. How will be your personal life? Death is the card of some transformation, some change. You are going to see some changes in your relationships, like some relationship might be, if it is not serving you, possibly is that this is the card of ending. Okay, possibly not applicable for all, but some of you might be ending a relationship in the coming week, because that relationship is not serving you and is not good for you. So, and this transformation card indicates that as a person, you are going to be changed in the next week a lot. You are going to be changed inside out. Okay, there are some changes are coming towards you in relationships in the coming week. And for the time being, it might be little painful to you, but the result of this transformation is good. Okay, and with the strength card, I am seeing that you will be in your power, like this death. To survive this death energy, you need some strength, and divine is giving you that strength. You will be so powerful that you can handle this situation. Okay, you can handle it beautifully, and you can overcome this situation. Okay, you are getting so much strength, and possibly like see, here you can see a feminine energy is taming, has controlled this furious lion. Like people maybe people in your surrounding might be little aggressive, but you will handle them beautifully. You will handle them with calmness, effortlessly you will handle them. This card indicates. So justice card indicates that if anything happened unfair to you in the past, like in relationships also, we don't get equal give and take. We don't get the right thing from a relationship. So possibly you are going to be served with the justice. Okay, whatever you put effort, that going to be rewarded for you. And this card also indicates a balance. You will have good balance among your relationship. Let's say we have a lot of relationships in our life, like we have a family, we have friends, we have love partners. So sometimes while focusing on one side, it's very obvious that sometimes we neglect the other part. So but next week you are going to maintain proper balance. You will be giving equal amount of time to each every relationship. This is the card of balance. And for some of you, if some court case is running related to relationship related court cases, can be divorce, very less people. So if you are on the right path, you are at the right side, then justice will come to your side. Okay, justice will be on your behalf. Okay, so okay, but that's for very less people. And also it indicates if there was any third party situation and people were trying to distance you, then they will fail. Justice will happen to your relationship. You people will come together. That's what justice card says, is the fairness card of fairness. Okay, the next is Queen of Cups. Might be there is a woman who feel very emotional, who has an emotional approach towards you, who will feel very emotionally about you. She can be anyone, or if you are a female, you will be in this energy, like you will feel emotional for someone, about some relationship. This is emotion card is good for a relationship. So if you are a male, then there will be a certain woman, a significant woman, who will feel emotional towards you. You will have emotional communications. Okay, so yes. Yes, that's what I can see for the next week. I'm seeing it's overall good week for you, Pisces. Now it's time to take few guidances for you from Moonology Oracle deck. How will be your next week? What are the guidance for you, Pisces, for next week? What are the guidance for you, Pisces, for the next week? Just last shuffle. What are the guidances for you, Pisces, for the next week? Yeah, done. Hold your vision. Have faith in your dreams. Luck is on your side. See, I feel all these three oracle cards are complementing this card. Hold your vision, whatever the vision you have, undoubtedly a broader vision towards your life, towards your career. Don't let that plan to be failed. Just start taking action on that. Okay, immediately. And have faith on your dreams. Yes, here you have a means beautiful dream for your career. So you need to keep faith on your dreams and keep working on your dreams. Start working on your dreams. Luck is on your side. What can be more promising card for this situation? So might be you are thinking whether I should take action or not. Divine is telling you luck is on your side. Just start acting on your plans, career goals. So Pisces, this is all about your reading. I hope you would like the reading. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Till then, keep smiling. Count your blessings. God bless you. Bye-bye.